Iteration is used to repeat a block of code based on a certain criteria. The first loop we'll look at is a while loop. This is where the loop continues while a condition is true, irrespective of the number of iterations this may generate. Eventually, the condition becomes false and the loop will end. I want to create a program that takes in a number through an input function. While the number is more than or equal to 0, it will keep asking the user for another number. First, I'm going to create my number variable and set it equal to 0. I'm now going to create my while loop. I start by writing my while statement, then I will add in my condition. In this case, I want my condition to be while my number variable is greater or equal to 0. At the end of my statement, I will put a colon. In my code block for this while loop, I want to write in an input function which prompts the user to enter a value into my number variable. Input, enter a number. Also, be sure to cast your input as an integer. If I run my program, the user is greeted with my input prompt. If I enter a positive number, in this case 5, you will see that the program loops back through to the input function again. This continues as I enter in other positive numbers, such as 8, 3, and also 0. We know from the condition of the loop that this will continue so long as the number variable, which I'm assigning through my input function within my loop, remains more than or equal to 0. If I now enter an integer below 0, such as -2, the condition of my loop will now no longer be true and the program will end.